Every day, childcare professionals make split-second decisions that impact young lives. But how do we prepare students for that level of responsibility? What if your students could experience the reality before stepping into their careers? Meet RealCare Baby 4, where learning becomes personal. This isn't just a simulation. It's a 24/7 reality check that builds genuine empathy understanding.
I really enjoyed taking my baby home. At nighttime, it would cry. And so I had to wake up like in the middle of the night.
Okay, I'm getting ready for school and Lucy's having breakfast.
It was fun to learn about like what it's really like to have a baby.
Students don't just learn tests. They experience the emotional journey of caregiving. Every moment tracked, every lesson learned, every connection made real.
If you think about experiential learning, this truly is what that should look like. If you want kids to really engage with content and see if it's something that they're interested in, you have to put a tangible resource in their hands.